Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the coupon insert preview for the 28th of October. So this week we're getting a RetailMeNot, P&G, and a Smartsource, so lots of great coupons in here. So as always, thank you to Clip to Save for posting this preview. Order coupons from them if you're wanting any of these. And also, I want to say, if you haven't seen my Kroger and Walmart videos this week, check them out. There are some crazy deals. It's been a while since we've had some of these really great money-making deals, so you've got to go check out those videos if you haven't already. So go do that. Let's just dive right in. We're gonna start out with the RetailMeNot, then we'll do the P&G, then we'll do the Smartsource. This might be a longer video, but I don't know. We'll see. $3 off of a Shea Moisture hair care item. $2 off of a Shea Moisture bath, body, or facial care item. $1 off of Shea Moisture bar soap. We have 25 cents on one single can or 4-pack of 9 Lives. That's a really good coupon because the single cans aren't that expensive. 75 cents on a bag of 9 Lives dry cat food, 3.15 pound bag or larger. $1 on Preparation H. $5 on this Preparation H Rapid Relief. We have $2 off of a Got to Be product. $2 off of Schwarzkopf hair color. $10 off of this. I have no idea what it is. I can't make that out. $1 off of any One All product. $2 off a 2 All Snuggle. It's rare that we see $2 off of, or it's rare we ever have $1 off of Snuggle, so that's a good one. 35 cents on Bunny Bread. $3 on Cold Ease. $3 on these items. Yep. And that is it for the RetailMeNot. And the P&G, this is the biggest insert this week. Buy one, get one free Febreze. That's a good coupon. And I know Rite Aid next week's running a deal on Febreze. I'm sure CVS is as well. And I bet on the new Kroger Mega event coming up that will have Febreze. It usually is always included on the Mega sales. 50 cents on Gain dishwashing liquid. 50 cents on some Dawn, 20.6 ounce or larger. $4 on 2 bags or 1 box of Pampers diapers or Easy Ups. $4 on 1 box or 2 bags of Pampers Easy Ups. $2.50 on a Pantene styler. That's a really good coupon. It's been a long time since we've seen one like that. Hopefully Kroger Mega event. Like I said, next week, I don't know if I have told everyone this yet or not. We're going to get a really good mega sale next week. It's a buy 10, save 5. And on that mega event, there's lots of really cheap stuff included food-wise. But I bet we'll see some good HBA stuff too. It's just like a bummer because in these inserts, I haven't seen any of our typical food coupons like for Progresso soups. And I'm hoping when we get the first of the month, we get some printables. I'm hoping that pulls through for us. But anyways, 50 cents on Puffs. 25 cents on Bounty. Charmin, $2 off of Cascade Action Packs 30 count or larger, 50 cents on Cascade Rinse Aid or dishwasher cleaner, $1 on Oral-B Adult Manual Toothbrush, $1 on Crest, $1 on Crest Mouthwash, $5 on the Crest White Strips, $1 on Secret Deodorant, select ones, $1 off of 1 Gillette Antiperspirant Deodorant, $1 on Old Spice, Red Collection, Fresh Collection, or Hardest Working Collection. $3 off of 2 Herbal Essence Bio Renew. $1 off of Olay. $2.50 off of 1 Fixodent Twin or Triple Pack. $1 on Head & Shoulders. $3 on 2 Head & Shoulders. $1 on Love's Diapers. $2 on a Gillette Razor. $3 on 1 Venus or Daisy disposable 2-count razor. Excludes Daisy 2-count. Alright. Does anyone else understand? What are they talking about here? $3 on 1 Venus or Daisy disposable 2-count or larger. Excludes Daisy 2-count. Let me know in the comments if you have any idea, because to me that sounds like a total contradiction. Like it works on Daisy disposable 2-count, but then it excludes Daisy 2-count. Let me know. Maybe I'm just reading it wrong. I'm pretty tired, so maybe that's got to do with it. $2 on a Venus razor. $3 on 1 Gillette disposable razor 2-count or larger. Excludes sensor 2-count. $2 on Always Discreet incontinence product. $1 on Old Spice 2-in-1 or styling product. $1 on Old Spice body wash or bar soap. $2 on the Old Spice foam body wash. $5 on 3 Pantene products. $1 on a Pantene product. $1 off of Tampax Pearl Radiant or Pure and Clean. $1 off of Always Radiant or the Always Infinity or Always Pure and Clean or the Ultra or Maxi Pads 11 count or higher. $3 on Olay Whips Facial Moisturizer. $2 off of Olay. And be on the lookout. All the drugstores, I don't know about Walgreens, but Rite Aid and CVS, they'll definitely run promos on these P&G products. $1 on Sinex. $1 on 2 Vapo Rub, Vapo Inhaler, or Vapo Cool Drops. $1 on 1 Vicks product. $3 on 2 Vicks product. $1 on Prilosec OTC. Sorry for yawning. I don't know. I'm really tired all of a sudden. Long day. $3 off of Prilosec 28 count or larger. $1 on Metamucil. $3 on Align Probiotic. $1 on Pepto-Bismol and $1 on ZzzQuil. This is a hot one. $3 on Tide Pods. Insane. That is insane. $2 on Tide detergent. And look at that. 1 coupon per household per day. Seriously? Ugh. $3 on a Tide 92 ounce or above. $2 on Tide antibacterial spray. $1 on Tide Rescue. $3 on 3 Gain detergent. Or fabric enhancers, and it must include 1 detergent and 1 fabric enhancer. $1 on Downy. Oh, that would be. Or Bounce. This would actually make that deal at Kroger better than what it is right now. Since they're BOGO at $3.29, use this $1 off coupon. It'd be $2.29 for 2 in a true BOGO, or if you're in a non-BOGO, that would make it like 74 cents. That'd be pretty good. $2 off of the larger Downies or Bounce or the Unstoppables, and that's it for the P&G. So let's move on to the Smartsource. Summer's Eve coupons. $2 off of CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. $1 off of any 1 Act product. We did have an Ibotta for that. $2 off of any 2 Ensure. 25 cents on Ajax 28 ounce or larger. $5 on 3 Glycerna. And like I said, there is that Walmart here had it on clearance for $2. So that'd be a really good deal for the bars. That'd be a really good price. We have $1.50 on 2 Borden cheese products, which I never get those coupons. $1 off of McCafe or Maxwell House Keurig product, 6 count or larger. $1 off of Super Pretzel soft pretzel product. That would be free at Dollar Tree. They're $1 there for a package of them, so that make it a freebie. $1.50 on Gold Bond. Walmart had the diabetic lotions. There's a coupon for those in here. They were on clearance for $3. Here, this one. So that would work on that. $1 off Gold Bond cream or lotion or cracked skin. $1 off a liquid plumber. $2 on Depend Real Fit or Silhouette product. $2 off a 1 Depend product. $2 off a Poise product. Pads, liners, or the Impressive bladder supports. $1 off a Unisom. 50 cents off of BC. 50 cents off of Goodies powder. $1 off of Secrets. $1.50 on any 1 Chloroseptic. That's pretty good. $3 off of 1 Dentec Dental Guard. $1.50 on any 2 Dentec products priced at $1.74 or higher. Interesting. $1.74. Not $1.75, but $1.74. $1 off a Dentec Ultimate Comfort Pick or Easy Brush Interdental Cleaner. $2 off of 125 count Ecotrin. $1 off of any Ecotrin 32 or 45 count item. $1 off of this Debrox ear wax remover kits. $1 off of Effordent 24 count or higher. We have $3 off of Tagament 30 count. We have $5 off of Tagament in a 50 count. $3 off of Clear Eyes Pure Relief. 50 cents off of just regular Clear Eyes. $1 off of Urostat product. $1 off of Fleet. $1 off of Fleet 4-pack enema product. $2 off of Phazyme. $2 off of Vino. $4 off of these Camphonique products. I never heard of those. Clairol hair color, 5 off 2, 2 off 1, and 3 off of 1 of these select kinds, or Vidal Sassoon. And that is it for this week's inserts. So, yeah, quite a few coupons coming. I hope you saw some you liked. Order them from Clip to Save if you want. And also check out my other videos I've done today and yesterday. If you haven't already, come back tomorrow for more because I'm going to be posting 2 more videos. And, yeah, thank you so much for watching.